ZR2 differential installed by Krazy House Customs in New Jersey. No Loctite used on any of the ring gear bolts. Here you can see the oblonging of this hole where the bolt backed out and kind of wobbled its way out, destroying the differential housing as it backed out. All the remaining bolts are finger loose. I have not touched these with a wrench or anything yet, but I can just grab them, spin them by hand. They come out. No Loctite. No Loctite. It's the same story all the way around. They're all finger loose, so by not using Loctite, it seems like the heat cycling of the differential just over time caused the bolts to fail, back out, and yeah, that ended up destroying the whole front end of the truck. So, no Loctite. No Loctite. No Loctite. And let's actually look in the ring gear. I haven't done that yet. Oh, so there you can actually see where the hole where one of the bolts backed out. No Loctite in there. No signs of Loctite in any of those holes. No Loctite.